Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about vein pattern recognition. Now this is an advanced biometric authentication technique. Now this method identifies individuals by analyzing the unique vein patterns inside the human body. It's usually the finger, the hand, or the palm. You know. Now I will explain how vein pattern recognition works. I will explain the applications, advantages, and the limitation. So let's move over to how it works. So the vein pattern recognition works by using this is the palm. You put the palm. It uses infrared light. Infrared light captures the image of the vein beneath the skin. You understand? Now there's what they call hemoglobin. The hemoglobin in the blood actually absorbs that infrared light, which now makes that vein pattern visible for the sensor. That's how you get the vein pattern. Now that the main thing is actually to get the vein pattern. That's where the hemoglobin comes in and the infrared light. Now the vein pattern is now extracted. The system extracts the vein pattern and converts it into digital template. It converts into digital template. Then that template now is now stored like in the database. Then later on it will now be compared with new scans. It will now be compared with new scans to verify a person's identity, because once the match is found once the match is found, it will now you know verify the identity. Now since the vein is inside the body, they are very difficult to copy or fake. You understand? It's inside the body. I would have this is one of the advantages actually. See, you can see this is the person's hand, this is the vein, the infrared light, that's what, and the hemoglobin, they come in play. So that's what actually makes the vein pattern actually be, to be visible for the sensor. Now let's move over to the advantages and the applications of vein pattern recognition. Now, the advantages. One major advantage of vein recognition is its high security. That is what it is mostly. One major advantage that is mostly recognized for is its high security. Now the vein pattern is hidden inside the body, which is which now protects it from external attack. The vein pattern is actually is hidden inside the body. You cannot actually like it's inside the skin. Actually, it's underneath the skin, so you cannot manipulate it like that. So it is contactless and hygienic, because you just put your palm and it will scan it, so you don't need to touch anything. It's contactless and hygienic. Now, vein recognition is commonly used in ATM machines, hospitals, high security facilities. It is especially useful where strong identity verification is required. Now, places where strong identity verification is required, that's where you mostly see, vein pattern recognition. Now, here it is used in ATMs, it is used in access. You put your palm, and the process of how it works will be done. So let's move over to the limitations and the challenges. Now, despite its strong security, vein pattern recognition has some limitations. Now, what are the limitations? The technology requires specialized hardware, which can be expensive. It is costly. The hardware used for these things are actually specialized, which can be expensive. So that is one of the limitations. Also, environmental factors such as temperature or poor blood circulation. This now may affect scanning accuracy, because now your temperature is high or low. Poor blood circulation, this will now affect scanning accuracy. So that is one of the limitations. It's also less common than face or finger recognition. It is less common than it's more rare compared to finger or face recognition, which limits widespread adoption. It's actually not really adopted mostly. You understand? So let's go to the conclusion. You know, in conclusion, when vein pattern recognition is a highly secure biometric authentication method, it also costly, limited availability are challenges too. You know, it is highly secure Thank you very much.